This is the Larmhoi Ionic hair dryer. So this is a 1875 watt professional style blow dryer. So obviously the higher watt's going to reflect it giving more power, which is going to dry your hair even quicker. So this has 3 different heating settings, 2 speed levels, as well as a cold function setting. So that cold blast that you can give your hair will really help lock in however you're trying to style it. So if you're adding in maybe curls with a round brush or trying to lift it, that cold feature will, if you give it a blow right after the hot, it'll help keep that in place. So it does come with a bunch of little pieces, as we had pulled out there, a little nozzle comb and a diffuser. Great for drying your hair that way. And I do like that this is foldable as well, so good for traveling if you need to condense space or put it in a drawer or something. So really love that. I like using the smoothing attachment. You see, just kind of applies at the end with my round brush. It's just a 360-degree rotating nozzle head to just swap those in and out, so very easy. The styling nozzle is kind of what I'm using, or sorry, the smoothing nozzle is what I'm using there. Great if you want to kind of give it a very smooth look to your hair. If you're using the styling nozzle, great for drying and smoothing. And then the other larger end piece is good for diffusing. If you have curly hair, it'll kind of help enhance those curls. Really powerful. I feel like it took about 15 minutes for my hair to dry with it. If you have shorter hair, obviously it'll be faster, but really love it. Definitely check it out.